Introducing the fully interchangeable CNC control solution from Emco, offering the very latest in industrial CNC training systems. The front menu screen of the system displays industrial CNC software systems available to the user. Numeric Operate Turn Control is selected, which offers the benefit of fully conversational programming. The screen now shows the replication of an industrial CNC machine's tool keyboard layout. Shop Turn and Shop Mill offer work step programming, program guide, G-code programming combined with cycle support. DIN ISO in Numeric high-level language offers maximum freedom of programming with context-sensitive help. A navigation through the options highlights the true realism of the CNC programming experience. This training concept provides individual learners complete flexibility in their learning experiences. The concept of the interchangeable control is unique to Emco CNC software solutions and Emco Concept CNC machine tool products. FANUC iMill control was now selected. This is a very conversational program which benefits from offering both G and M code programming capabilities. Focus on key manufacturing, programming with graphic display, a 2D graphic display simulation with auto zoom with a clean modern user interface. Learners can experience how to write and input a CNC program into their control keyboard as though they were on the CNC machine tool itself. Editing, simulation, reprogramming, operational modes and machine software limits can all be performed within the classroom, enabling more students to work at their own pace. This can be further benefited by the option of the Emco 3D View display. This feature allows the learner the capability to see the created CNC program being executed, to give further realism and to enable manipulation of the piece part around the screen. Now selected is the Heidenhain TNC 426 control. This offers the benefits of true-to-life realism of using an actual CNC tool. With the interchangeable control system, once the tutor is satisfied with the learner's program, it can then be downloaded onto a CNC machine where the tools can be set and the program executed. For advanced training using interchangeable control on Emco concept machines of Easy to Control. Easy to Control adds a range of attractive applications to the interchangeable control system used in Emco training machines. Suitable for use in machines and simulation workplaces alike, it displays additional control elements directly on the screen and when used together with a touchscreen monitor provides the ideal input interface. With support for a wide range of keyboard variants, customer-specific screen layouts and tailored solutions for individual customers, Easy to Control represents a promising and highly flexible extension to the modular Emco training concept. The interchangeable controls are represented using an on-screen keyboard, which makes switching between different control systems even easier and quicker. The easy-to-operate small bench-top control panel allows the user to control the machine's tool overrides, giving the user a full machine tool operation experience. People who have trained on Emco machines are then able to work on almost any CNC machine in a wide range of companies. To arrange a demonstration, please contact Emco by any of the following methods.